We'll go out here where there's some sun. Sprinkler head. Not sure on this one. On depth. Kind of getting mixed signals there. Probably shallow target. Dime on the surface. So it must have been hitting on the edge of the coil when I thought it was shallow or deep. Save that one. Excuse me. Should be a sprinkler head. Yep. So I can probably go change frequency now. 15 kilohertz, 20 kilohertz. It's mainly by the road that where the EMI is at. So 20 kilohertz, field mode, pitch tones, iron brake 14. not a lot of time left for the day, so down at my dad's. We'll go do some detecting tomorrow. I'll try to I'm going to set up with the wireless mic tomorrow. Put one on him, on my dad, and one on me. The wireless mic does not have the best sound. There's like a bass noise that's there all the time with it. I forget what there's a technical term for it. I'm wearing a shotgun mic on my head, so I've been using that the last few days. I have a video. Yesterday, me and Jeremy were hunting. I found a ring. I got a video that I'm working on to post for that. With the shotgun mic, though, it's really blocked out the surrounding noise. So even Jeremy, if you can't hear him if he's not right up next to me, like 4 feet away or closer, it's really hard to hear him. Deep target. Alright. It was higher on the conductivity end. Legend, for Legend, that was a 48 VDI. We'll see what it is. Well, it's on this side. All right. Is that can slaw I'm seeing right there? What is that? Is it jewelry? Or am I just psyching myself of it? Is it jewelry? Oh my gosh. That's gold. That is gold right there. Oh my goodness. That is freaking gold. Is it? No, it might be silver. Hold on. Hold on. 46, it's silver. I don't think gold would be reading up that high. But there is, let's see what it says here. Oh, did I leave my loop at home? Yeah, I did. So the clasp is a nice big 925 right there, silver cross. That is freaking epic, man. Freaking epic. Look at that. Deep signal. It was a deep signal. I was getting a depth reading. It was pegged out. So it was probably about like right there, 5-6 inches. Probably about an inch from the top of this plug. Well, an inch from the bottom of the plug. This being the bottom, this being the top. So settings. You guys wanted me to some of you wanted me to say what the settings are when I find stuff. You know it changes, right? Like, I could come back tomorrow and I might not even hit on this. So the settings is kind of anyways. So I'm in field mode. Field mode, 20 kilohertz, full gain, all metal mode, pitch tones. Iron brake is 14. Wow, that is freaking awesome. Okay. It's the whisper, I'm telling you. Whispers that are kind of soft, a softer tone, and they don't change a whole lot. Those are the tones that I like to go after. Wow.